Antony Bolaños is accused of illegally sharing personal information that had been taken from the RGP's internal IT system, Cyclops. Another former police officer, Robert McKinnon, was fined £500 last year after pleading guilty to having unlawfully obtained and shared this information while a serving officer. While McKinnon acknowledged his actions were wrong, he claimed at the time that members of senior management were unfairly targeting certain officers who were raising concerns at work. Today, the Supreme Court heard from the most senior officer at the time of Mr. Bolaños' alleged actions, ex-Commissioner Richard Ullger, who gave evidence via videolink from St Helena, where he's currently serving as temporary Director of Police. Mr. Ullger was also data controller for the RGP at the time of the alleged offences, meaning he was responsible for authorising access and sharing police data. Defence lawyer St Helena questioned whether Mr. Ullger himself had ever shared police information in breach of GDPR regulations, referring to testimony heard during the McGrail inquiry. The former commissioner denied ever having done so, accusing the lawyer of total lies and of intending to mislead the jury. Mr. Danino persisted, questioning a specific case, with Mr. Ullger replying that he could not answer as that matter was still before the courts. The majority of today's session centred on testimony by DS Jeremy Wyatt, who investigated Mr. Bolaños. He was questioned on his qualifications regarding the handling of data in the course of this investigation. While acknowledging he was not a technical expert, Sergeant Wyatt told the court he did not need to be to properly understand the system he was using. He said the evidence was clear and the defendant had retained and shared the images for which he was charged. Sergeant Wyatt told the court the investigation had been highly confidential and took place on a secured computer under lock and key with no network connection. The trial continues tomorrow as from 9:30.